You must clean both the tub and the tile before caulking to ensure a durable, leak-free seal. The bond between caulk and surface depends on both materials being free of contaminants, so any soap scum, oils, mildew, or old caulk film on either the tub or the tile will prevent proper adhesion and shorten the sealant life. Start by removing visible old caulk and residue with a plastic scraper and a soft bristled brush to avoid scratching finishes. Follow with a dedicated cleaner that targets soap scum and mineral deposits, then rinse thoroughly and let the surfaces dry until there is no perceptible moisture. Wipe both the tub flange and the adjacent tile with isopropyl alcohol using a lint-free rag to remove oils and microscopic residues. Use separate rags for each surface if they are visibly dirty to avoid cross-contamination. For porous grout or textured tile, press the alcohol into crevices with a cotton swab and allow full evaporation, because trapped moisture or cleaner can outgas and cause adhesion failure. Finally, ensure temperature and humidity are within the sealant manufacturer recommendations before tooling the bead for an even, continuous contact on both surfaces. Common mistakes include applying caulk over residue, which leads to poor adhesion and early failure. So always remove old sealant and chemically clean both sides before applying new caulk. Another frequent issue is ignoring moisture in grout or seams. If surfaces are not completely dry, the caulk will not bond properly, so wait longer or use a fan or gentle heat to accelerate drying. A third error is uneven tooling that leaves gaps or thin spots. Use consistent pressure and a smoothing tool or a finger wetted with soapy water to press the bead into the joint so the sealant contacts both tub and tile continuously and forms a uniform fillet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a space for project questions and candid discussion. We help contractors find work, and we host an active community where users exchange tips and experiences about repairs like caulking and surface preparation.